welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Hello guys, it's Coco Pocahontas and I'm about to do a quick makeup tutorial. The foundation I'm using right now is the Matte Poreless Fit Me and the 360 Mocha. As you can see, I'm going to quickly spread it around all over my face until it's even. Make sure I get all spots in full coverage. Next, I'm using the Fuck I'm Flawless Multi-Use Perfecting Concealer under my eyes and the eyelids to kind of give me a lighter complexion around the eyes. Make sure I get the full coverage. Now I'm using the Fit Me Powder 360 Mocha, and that is to give it that full matte look, so it won't be too shiny, you know, if you got those oils wrong or whatever. And I'm going in with my favorite eyeshadow palette. I got this from Walmart. It's called Profusion Gold Rush. And now I'm doing my highlighter, and it's Hello Halo Flash Me. Never mind, my face is fresh, y'all. I do that all the time. And now I'm going in with my other favorite eyeshadow palette, which is Mocha Mix by NK Makeup. Just to kind of blend it in and give it a different, neutral tone type look. And now I'm taking my black eyeliner and just going under my eyes a little bit. Not too much. I don't really like eyeliner that much. Now I'm evening everything out with my styling brush. And I'm using the NYX lip cream in the color SMLC